How to fix my Google Meet camera not working. So you might be in the position where you try to join the meeting on Google Meet, but the camera is not working for you. In this case, what you want to do is first of all head over to your Play Store. In the search bar, search for Google Meet, and then head over to this app. Right here instead of open, if it shows the option of update, then the application is not up to date, and it might be one of the reasons that you are facing the issue. So in this case, all you want to do is tap on update and update your application to the latest version. Once your application is up to date, now the next thing you want to do is to head over to your settings. Move into apps. Move into Google Meet app. Head over to permissions. Right here you need to make sure that you have allowed the permission of camera. If not, you simply need to click on it and then set the settings to allow only while using the app. Well, after granting the permission, it might fix the issue that you have been facing. You can also grant the permission to all of these options. Once it is done, now the next thing you want to do is to head over to battery and set the settings to unrestricted. Now the another thing you can try doing is head over to storage and cache. Right here, clear the cache and the storage of this application. Clearing the storage and cache will remove all of the unwanted bugs from the application, and it will make your app run smoothly. It will also fix the issue that you have been facing on Google Meet. So that's it, and this was our tutorial video on how to fix Google Meet camera not working. I really hope this video is gonna be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.